Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to cancel your AKC insurance. If you have taken any insurance on AKC, so how you can cancel. So basically cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply call their customer support team, and the customer phone number I will provide you. The link is in our video description box, and phone number also I will provide you in description box. Okay, so you can search the same phone number on internet also. You will get the same phone number. The number is linked in our video description box. You will get the same phone number on their official website, on internet also. Okay, so basically when you dial their number, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance, any type of insurance. If you have any pet insurance, if you have any kind of insurance. Okay, so when they will talk you need to tell them your reason. You need to provide your reason why you want to cancel, and they will ask you your policy number. After verification, they will process your cancellation, and after a period of time they will cancel your policy. And there is no cancellation charge. You can cancel your policy at any time in the mid of the policy. And if there any unused premium, or is there any refund, or you guess like refund process is available, then they will provide you a refund also. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.